be making hot Cheeto pork chop with hot Cheetos. But before I do this, I'll read a Bible verse. Psalms 4:8. I will lie down and sleep in peace, for you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety. Now we'll be seasoning Now we'll be putting our complete seasoning in.
And he's cooking pork chop. That's what he wanted for dinner today.
Now we'll be putting onion powder. Now we'll be putting garlic powder in. For the final one, we'll be putting black pepper. Now I'll be turning them over and putting them in a hot Cheeto dust. I'll be turning them over to season. I was just about to use this other hand. Okay, it's very hard to try to flip them over. Okay. I'll just be taking them off now. Now I'll be using my seasoning. If I could get my gloves working. It's a technical difficult problem. Alright, so we'll be using complete again. Oh, I forgot to put another one. Now we'll be using, we have to do it all in order again. Onion powder. I was using the wrong side. Now we'll be using garlic powder. Now we'll be using black pepper. I kind of made a little mess, but we're doing it. Why I keep using the wrong side? Now we'll be putting in the hot Cheetos. There's a technical difficulty problem, but I think I put it on the wrong hand. If I could get my gloves on, I think I put it on the wrong hand. Honest. I think I put it on the wrong hand. If I could get it, it would be great. If I could. I think I put it on the wrong hand again. I think it's this hand. If I can just get these gloves on, this video will be over. If I can just get this glove on. My fingers on. So we'll be putting the pork chops inside of our Cheeto dust.
He's using this Flaming Hot for his flour.
And now we'll be putting the other one. And no, I did not steal an idea. I just came up. This one already got a lot of Cheetos on it.
Mm-hmm.
And this one. I just want to bite it.
Okay, put some on the end. Right here. Yeah, right there with your finger. Yeah.
But the bone's there, so why do I need to do that? Okay, we're
gonna take them to the deep fryer. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put them in the deep fryer for them. Okay, we'll be back once they're fried.
So this is the finishing touches of my pork chop hot Cheeto pork chops. This is the finishing touches. Now I'll be taste testing it.
Ooh, listen to that crunch.
They're crunchy.
Very good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And press on and share. Bye.